going down the district, Mother.
This is a rainy date. Literally.
A rainy day.
A rainy date with,
Full of blessing from the Lord.
believe it, a nun, Sister Chelina, and two priests. Father Pedro from Peru, is it, sister?
Yes, he's from Peru,
And Father Mark
from Malta.
The Mediterranean.
smiling from behind his head. No, don't do that. From Malta. And if you look at the windshield, you'll see that it's raining
Beautiful.
cats and dogs.
I think we shall see this on the internet.
For the record, Father Mark made us walk in the rain.
No, we walked
We
in the
walked
rain.
in the rain.
He did not make us walk.
Was that God's will, sister?
For sure.
To get wet. So, Sister Chelina had to remove her headgear. Headgear. Galing kami sa
You talk to him.
25th sacerdotal anniversary of Father Aloy. And Father Pedro is pretending to be able to read a newspaper even if the car is moving. You can't read in a moving car.
It was nice to walk under rain.
And if you listen very well, you will hear music that is
Relaxing.
relaxing. Oops. What is that
I know what
music?
a dori.
What is that?
Where are we? We are with Father Pedro and Father Mark, moving in the rain of Ortigas.
Padre, what music is that?
And Bai is taking the video.
What is that? What is that
We
chant?
enjoyed it.
This
Thank you,
one?
Yes.
Atadori, for telling us to
Who
come.
is that?
Sa, thank you for pushing us to come, okay? Alright, let's Mai say hello to you.
Mother? Mother? Sandali lang po, nagbi-video po ako. Anyway, masaya po yung lakad namin. Teka, di ko po kayo marinig. Bigay ko po kay Sister Chelina po. Basta masaya po kami.
Okay? See you here. God be with you.